Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you which fuse to check in case these small USB ports are not working. This video will apply to 30th generation of Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the USB charger fuse will be in a small fuse box which is under the steering wheel, just behind this cover. Now to remove the cover, grab it down there and just pull towards yourself. It's being held by a couple of plastic clips, and on the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. And here you get access to all of the fuses. The fuse you want to check will be fuse number 44, which is this small 10 amp red fuse located right here. And hopefully this fuse will be burned out, and just by replacing it, this will fix your problem. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.